Welcome to CalRTA's short tutorials. My name is Sue Breyer, and today I'm going to take you through how to set up and use breakout rooms during a Zoom meeting. First thing you need to do is to get into your Zoom account. As you can see, I've got my browser open with Google Chrome, and all I'm going to do is type in zoom.us. Over here on the left, I can go to sign in. And since I've signed in before and I have an account, I can actually skip all of this sign-in process and go right down to my Google account. Find my Gmail that I registered with. And here I am in my account. Now, the first thing you need to remember when you are setting up to use breakout rooms in your meeting, you have to have the setting activated in your settings in your Zoom account. To do so, you're going to go over here to the left-hand menu on your profile page and click on the blue settings. Once you're in this menu, you're going to go to In Meeting Advanced. That'll save you some scrolling. Now, once you're in the In Meeting Advanced section, you're going to go down to Breakout Room right here. Notice on the right-hand side that it is not activated. If it were activated, it would be blue, like this one up here. So you want to just click on that, and that will activate breakout rooms. That will allow the icon for breakout rooms to show up on your toolbar when you open your Zoom meeting. Now here, this automatically checks off. Allow host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. And I'm not really going to cover that today, but that's something else that is available to you when you use breakout rooms. Now, once you have that, you scroll back up to the top to your main menu over here on the left, and you're now going to go to your meeting, and you can open your meeting, and that way you can access and use your breakout rooms. I'm now in my Zoom meeting, and I'm ready to place my participants in their breakout rooms. So as you can see, I have 4 participants in my meeting: Amanda Robinson, Joe Brandt, Cindy Hammond, and John Jones. So to put them in their breakout rooms, all I do is go down here to the bottom on my taskbar, and I click the breakout rooms icon. A menu will pop up in the middle of your screen. You can move this menu around if you like, and none of the participants can see this menu. So it says here, create breakout rooms, and to assign 4 participants, my 4 participants are here, I get to choose now the number of rooms I would like to use. Well, with 4 participants, I'm thinking 2 people per room. So all I do is use the up arrow to change the number to 2. I can create as many rooms as I like by just pressing the arrow. So down to 2 rooms, and notice it says 2 participants per room. I'm going to leave this at automatically. This means that participants in my meeting will be placed randomly into their groups. The other option is to place them manually. That takes a little bit more time, and so to save time, I'm going to go ahead and keep them placed automatically. Once you have your settings the way you want them, go ahead and click the blue Create Rooms. Now, once you do that, each of the participants is going to receive a message on their computer screen or their phone screen saying to join the room. Tell them that they must press that in order to join the room. So I'm going to click Create Rooms. Once I click Create Rooms, I can review what I have, and if I need to, I can move or exchange participants and place them into a different room or a different combination. I'm going to go ahead, though, and open all the rooms. All participants have been invited then to join the breakout rooms. Now, as I said, they had to accept the invitation to join the room. So as you can see, everybody is gone. I am in the main room as a host. Now, as a host, I can go over here to my menu, which, by the way, nobody else can see but the host. I can pop into either of these breakout rooms if I want to and listen in onto the discussions. All I have to do is click the join. Once I'm in their breakout room, when I'm ready to leave, I can click the leave button and come back to the main room. So I can drop in at any time to either meeting. Another option for the host is to broadcast a message to everybody in their breakout rooms, perhaps to give them a time to close up the meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and type here and say, you have 1 more minute. And all I have to do is press the broadcast button, and that message will go out to all of the participants in the breakout rooms. So now I'm ready to close my rooms and bring everybody back to the main meeting. To do so, as the host, all I click is the red Close All Rooms. Now you can see down at the bottom, it says that they will close in 6, 5, 4, and the countdown continues, and then everybody will automatically come back to the main room, as you can see. I can click out of this menu right here. Everybody is back in my meeting, and now I can simply ask them to report out what was discussed in their breakout rooms, to share some key ideas, or simply to summarize their findings as they were discussing. That's all there is to breakout rooms. It's very easy. Thank you again for joining this CalRTA short tutorial. I hope to see you again.